Hi, today in front of me POCO X5 Pro, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So first let's open the box. So let's check what we got here. This is the USB Type-C cable, the charger brick, the Xiaomi original charger brick with all of the specs. And let's check also this paper box. Here we can see the SIM eject tool, the quick start guide, safety information, and the warranty card, and also the protective case, the silicone protective case in white, just in clear color. So that's it, that's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.